Hello. So your question is, what situation has occurred after the last assignment of the following code? And the question is, so you have an integer pointer p, which is equal to some new dynamically allocated memory, which is the size of an int. So that's usually about 4 bytes on most systems. You're saying that the value of what is stored here is equal to 400. So that's what dereferencing is doing. And then you're saying p, the pointer, not the dereference, not the value that the pointer points to, but the pointer itself is equal to null. So someone else here answered, and they're absolutely correct. This is a memory leak. You're going to leak about 4 bytes. Usually, ints can change in size. And you're going to leak because this memory that p is pointing to disappears, right? It's just kind of, let's say it's represented by this circle. P, when you say integer p pointer is equal to malloc, when you're saying that, you're saying p points to this thing. Then you're saying on this, so this is the first line. You're saying, okay, give us this, and this is, we'll just put 4 here, 4b for 4 bytes of memory. Then on the second line, you're saying, okay, not the memory itself, but the value that the memory stores, that will be 400. So the second line is saying this. Okay, let's put a 400 in here. This is what it's storing. And then the third line, this p null, is saying, okay, p no longer points to this. It actually points to nothing, just the empty abyss, right? C actually has some special mechanisms in the background for null. That's why null is this kind of defined term, but essentially it's pointing to nothing. So what does this mean? What this means is this memory, this 4 bytes of memory that stores the number 400 still exists. It exists right here, right? Somewhere on your RAM, somewhere on your random access memory. Those are those chips in your computer, if you've ever built a computer. So just because you said p no longer points to it doesn't mean the memory still doesn't exist. So if you used a tool like valgrind, for example, valgrind, and ran this, you're going to see memory lost 4 bytes, almost certainly 4 bytes. Hopefully this is helpful for you.